Hey everyone, welcome to our first tutorial in our brand new series, which is going to be all about learning Python. So today I'll just give you guys a quick overview of what we're going to be using, what tools we're going to be using, and why exactly we're going to be starting to learn Python. So I think it should be very exciting. We're starting something pretty new, and I think you guys will all truly enjoy it. So to start out, please go to Google Chrome or Safari, whichever one you use, and go to Google Collaboratory, and it's just an online application, right? So you go to Collaboratory, it should look something like this, right? And you'll have all this information. And so one big question is, why are we using Collaboratory as opposed to some other IDEs like Spider and whatnot? And we're using Google Collab because it has greater accessibility. Some of us might not be fortunate enough to have some computers which you can download some of those like bigger IDEs. So this is just an online way where we can write code and test out code and store it. And another good thing is that you can share code effectively and easily, so I can give you guys any of my programs if need be for our more like complex learning adventures. And another big bonus to Google Collaboratory is that it's great for data science. It allows us to plot a lot of things. You'll see here there's a whole data science section. So I do recommend you guys check that out before we start. But yeah, so that Google Collaboratory has some great bonuses to it. So let's go ahead and get started. You can make a new notebook right here, and you can call this notebook, I think we can just call it Hello World, and we'll just say number 1 because it's our first program. And another reason, before we start, another big question that arises is what is Python? And then another question is why use Python? So to answer the first one, Python is a general purpose coding language, and it can be used for many different types of programming, and some examples are back-end development, software development, and then what I mentioned earlier, data science. And why are we using Python? So for beginners it's really great because it's very easily maintainable and readable, just to understand and look through. It's compatible with all the major platforms. I mean, in this case that's not a big deal because we're doing it on the cloud, but it is compatible with major platforms such as Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. And another great thing is that it has super large libraries, so once again we can do lots of different things, and it has lots of applications. So let's go ahead and start out. I'll just give you guys something quick, something easy to understand. I'll go more into depth into every single aspect obviously, but to start out, let's make a new variable. We'll call it name, and go ahead and type in your name. I guess I'll just type in my name right here, Abiram Magina, and that's it, really simple. And then we'll do another quick statement. Print and hello name. Right. So before I do anything here, you guys can obviously see we have this variable name. It's storing my name, Abiram Magina, and then it will print hello, Abiram Magina. So once this runs, you guys will have completed your very first computer program. So I hope you're all super excited. There'll be tons more to come, obviously. But I hope this gave you a little taste. I know it was really small, but just a little taste into the possibilities, and I hope this gets you extremely excited for what's to come. Okay, thank you. Bye.